Outtakes.
So we put the parts. Sorry, I could feel that coming. I thought I could suppress it. Did your mother teach you to wash your face with hot water?
Yeah.
Why?
To keep it clean.
No, come on. Why hot?
Hey, stop. Where are you going with this?
Open the pores. Hardness, are you doing that or am I doing it?
You were doing it.
Okay, we're just gonna do this again.
The screw won't
Cut.
seat.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's do that over. The gloves really bother me. Can he take the gloves off? My gosh, I don't know what, I don't know how to control my friction. That's wrong. What's my outro? What's my outro? I'm good, you start, because I nailed it.
It's not easy standing up here doing this, y'all. He could say anything and throw me off.
Only thing I'm here for is to catch this beautiful Texas belt buckle in the background.
No, ooh, it smells old. This smells old. I feel better now.
Good.
I'm feeling really confident right now.
Okay, what are we doing here, Aaron? You get your hands up, get them off the table.
Can you delete that last part of the footage? I want to say like, and there is like on YouTube, by the way.
Bell.
The ding bell.
The ding dong bell.